Today is a little bit different. I'm showing you just the afternoon of my day off, which I'm using to package a whole bunch of stickers and postcards for a local shop. I actually ran a Etsy shop, then the pandemic happened and international shipping from Korea became a nightmare or just impossible. So I switched to only wholesale local shops and cafes, and this is for one of them. I have 2 sets that go into their cafe, and since it's a book cafe, this little library postcard and sticker set is the one that has been going for the longest and strongest. I also packaged a little letter with these stickers and the postcard and a proper little handwritten note for friends around the globe, because recently snail mail has become available again for certain countries, and while the post office informed me it might take up to 6 months, I did want to give it a try, and to my surprise, all the countries I tested got their letters within 2 to 3 weeks. So I think they were just covering their bases when they told me it might take half a year, and I'm now very happy that I can offer some smaller shipping options again on Ko-fi and on my website shop, but for now I'm keeping my Etsy shop closed because the situation is just too volatile to actually offer free shipping and to have it all completely figured out. The other sticker set I sell at this local bookstore / book cafe is very Jeju Island themed, so citrus fruits, specifically mandarins and oranges. So I combined those with cats as inspiration for these little kyulnyangi, so a combination of kyul and goyangi. I'm just packaging 20 of each to deliver this afternoon. We only stayed a couple hours. I wanted to finish some sketches. I'd gotten a brief for a book cover illustration for an anthology. So while the illustration itself has a deadline way back in autumn, I do like getting some early sketches in to show clients and to develop as we go along. Dang it, I need to change that camera. Come on, come on. like the most important part, the cat, doesn't actually show. I can't reach the camera because there's a cat on my lap, and because I can't reach the camera, I can't actually show you said cat. I've really enjoyed filming these vlogs so far, which wasn't something I'd expected. Like, I enjoyed the act of filming my painting process, but then as I was working on my first vlog, I got really into it, and yeah, I liked the feeling of reflecting back on what I was doing all day or all week and having the video proof instead of just the paintings themselves, and it felt like I was more in control of my time, which is an absolute illusion, not true at all. Let me see if I can adjust this further. Come on kitty. Okay, so I don't think I can give a lot of advice on like freelancing itself, but at the same time I'm also not confident in giving like painting advice, because while I've done watercolor painting for a long time and I drew even longer than that, I started with like gouache and realistic painting pretty much 2 years ago, and then the claws were coming out just for like a comfy stretch here, and then acrylics a year ago. So I'm not like a font of wisdom what those media are concerned, or realistic painting in general. But maybe that's actually something that could be useful if you can watch someone who's also still figuring things out and who has to do a lot of studies and prepare each illustration very meticulously so that they don't mess it up, which, yeah, that would be me. Yeah, maybe some methods of how I use reference materials or how I plan new pieces, be it for clients or for myself. That's kind of, I mean, that sounds like something I'd watch. I personally love watching painting vlogs and just studio vlogs of other artists. I find it very calming. I love doing that while I'm like painting something where I don't have to think and I can just listen to someone else describe their day. And yeah, let me know if there's something like specifically that you'd like to see. Except the cat, because the cat does not want to be moved higher than this right now. I'm trying to like lift my legs a little bit and he doesn't like it. Right? I can't turn it off. I'm too far away and I don't have an automatic anything. He hates me even just leaning forward, so I guess I'm just on camera now for like the next 20 minutes of my life. I have nothing else to say. Are we now biting? Okay. Up, 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 up. I made it. This is an illustration I've been filming my process for, but as it's still far from finished, I'll have to wait and see how that goes. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you with my next vlog, whatever that will be about. Thank you. Bye.